On top our tori for today, Presido Buhari don witness the signing of implementation agreement for Niger Electrification Roadmap (NER) between Nigeria and Siemens AG of Germany. Presido Buhari can deliver speech for this signing of implementation agreement as he thank all of them, say them come and the work wey them don do on top the planning, the one wey im get better mind say this kind project go help grow light matter than na electricity supply for Nigeria. He talk say he no go fit forget the meeting wey he get with Chancellor Merkel for Abuja last year August when Nigeria government and Germany ready gidigba to join hands to take grow Nigeria economy. And Nigeria sabi say if power sector dey well, this administration e go tanda well. Now for the event wey shele for Abuja last year, na im make Joe Kezat wey be CEO for Siemens AG talk say they don ready waka development waka with Nigeria to help electricity matter as e be say German government e ready to help well. Electricity na wetin dey very important for develop for any community or country sef, and for Nigeria God don bless us with better and correct natural gas, hydro and solar resources wey go fit help generate better power, and we still dey on top the road wey we wan take get ogbonge electricity supply, the one wey go help move Naija comot for poverty level and e go build we economy. Presido Buhari come explain give dem say many work don dey ground tey to take solve this power katakata for the country, and people wey don first dey government before im come don first try ogbonge plans, like they don try national independent power project, they don try installation of emergency power project, they don even try do partial privatization of some power generation and distribution sectors, but all this one sef e no still help solve the electricity matter. Presido talk say all this pattern and option wey dem don dey try do to try solve electricity matter, e no even let the amount of power wey dem dey generate and the amount of power wey dey rich people use make e dey balance. As e be say over 13,000 megawatts na im dem dey generate, and na only average of 4,000 megawatts na im dey reach people hand, and time don reach wey dem go face this electricity matter make dem win am. The work wey government dey do na to stabilize power generation and gas supply sector through payment assurance facility, the one wey suppose dey give power supply of 5,222 megawatts. Buhari talk say na all this one na im make am tell im team say make dem ask Siemens and Nigeria stakeholders make dem focus on top the fixing of transmitting and distribution infrastructure for economic centers, the one wey be say job creation e take dey happen. He happy say private sector owners of distribution companies don stamp government throway body to engage Siemens on top how dem go take improve electricity supply for the country. President Buhari talk say im administration plan na to see say every business and house for Nigeria get better light, and na this one go make dem challenge their partners wey be Siemens, investors for im distribution companies, TCN, electricity regulators, say make dem work well to make sure say dem get 7,000 megawatts of better power supply by 2021 and 11,000 of megawatts for 2023 for the phase 1 and 2 wey dem dey do. And if dem don fix this transmission and distribution system for third and final phase, dem go come dey drive generation capacity and overall grid may reach 25,000 megawatts. President Buhari talk say im administration plan na to see say cooperation dey under government to government, no be say person go come dey in between them, as this one go help Nigeria make better money, and dem go like say all the products may be of ogbonge quality and European standard, the one wey go fit make am stand for world class pricing. President Buhari come talk say this project no go fit solve all the katakata wey dey power sector, but im know say as dem start this one e go help solve the challenge, the one wey dem don dey face for electricity supply for very long time, and this one go still help improve investment, and e go still make investors get better mind to come start business for Nigeria, and job creation go tanda well as money wey people take dey do business and the wahala wey dem dey face on top business matter for Nigeria e go comot for ground, and economy go grow well as everything go dey yafu for Nigeria. Na here we see the better information reach on top our tori for today, as President Buhari don witness signing of implementation agreement for Niger Electrification Roadmap, the one wey shele between Nigeria and Siemens AG of Germany, as this one go help electricity supply matter for Nigeria and e go make business standard gidigba well for the country. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate na T Live Media na im bring her come gidigba put for una, and to continue to dey get this ogbonge update, make una no forget to subscribe, like and comment for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV, and now still follow us enter Facebook to like and follow our page for T Live Media.